Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can transfer dogs coin from Telegram wallet to Binance. If you already have your dogs on your Telegram wallet, you will be able to send it to, for example, Binance. So once you have opened up your Telegram wallet and go on more assets, you're going to see your dogs right there. After that, you will be able to click on send option and choose external wallet. Now, as you can see, withdrawals are not yet available, but it will be available today. So once you will have an option to withdraw it, you will then need to enter the address of Binance. So you're gonna go click on external wallet, and then you're gonna go to Binance, click on wallets, deposit option, search for dogs, choose a dogs option. As you can see, there's only one network Toncoin. Choose it. After that, you're gonna copy the deposit address and the memo, both, and enter them to your Telegram. Once you will enter it to your Telegram, here, your wallet address and the memo, you will be able to send your docs to your Binance. So that's basically it, guys. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.